Hi, Bobo. Are you looking at yourself in the mirror? Are you? Huh? You having fun? Yeah. How about we get a little closer? How about we get a little closer, okay? We have to roll you, though, remember? Yeah. Yeah, let's get your hand. Oh, it's okay, baby. Okay, there you go. Now look, who's in the mirror? Who's in the mirror? Sweetie, hold your head up. Who's that in the mirror, Bobo? Oh. Are you talking to the baby in the mirror? Hey, there you are. Hey, sweetie Petey. Hi. Look, there's two of you. Baby, why don't you look in the mirror? Look at the baby in the mirror. You're blowing bubbles. How old are you now, huh? You're 3 months. You're 3 months. Yesterday was 12 weeks. Bye-bye. Arr. Okay, sweetie, I'll pause. I'm going to pause so I can flip you over. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.